Wow.
I was waiting for the fielder to get across and pick it up, but it's not a chance.
Lovely shot. Didn't try and hit it too hard. Oh, that's cracked off the back foot. Nice. Lovely shot. This time off the front foot.
Beautiful. Quite beautiful.
Take that. What a way to break.